Meaning of froth.
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 Froth. Froth refers to a mass of small bubbles that are formed in or on a liquid, usually as a result of agitation or fermentation. It is often seen on the surface of drinks, such as beer and coffee, or on the waves of the ocean. Froth can also refer to a state of exaggerated enthusiasm or excitement that is short-lived and lacking in substance. In this sense, it is often used to describe hype or shallow trends that do not have much long-term value or significance. Overall, froth is characterized by its fleeting and ephemeral nature.